Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best makeup sets that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Shani Gift Surprise All-in-One Makeup Bundle. The Shani Gift Surprise consists of several surprise items from Shani. These items include full-size makeup, sample-size makeup, mini-size makeup, makeup sets, brush sets, makeup kits, brush pouch or organizer, nail dotting brushes, cleanser or nail accessories, or nail decorations. Although this set doesn't include specific colors, the Shani makeup set will give you everything you need to start a decent makeup set. Moving on at number 4, we have Prism Makeup Highly Pigmented Eye Makeup Palette. The Prism Makeup Highly Pigmented Eye Makeup Palette will provide a pop of color to your chosen makeup look. With a vast range of colors to choose from, you will easily find an eyeshadow shade to suit your eye color and your skin tone. This set contains various textures, from shimmery pressed pearl to soft mattes and dazzling metallic glitters. You will have everything you need to go from a daytime look to a smoky-eyed evening look. At number 3, we have House of Collection. House of Collections is a variety of makeup kits with bags by Lady Gaga. Each makeup kit contains a liquid eyeshadow, lip liner pencil, and lip gloss. Each set comes with its own theme and different colors, so you can find one that perfectly suits your personality. In addition, every product in this collection complements the other products, so you don't even need to work out what looks good together. Only one question remains. Do you want to visit House of Dynasty with its green liquid eyeshadow and maroon lip gloss? Or would you prefer the House of Rockstar, where you can live your rockstar fantasies with golden eyeshadow and juicy plump lips? At number 2, we have Charmcode Twilight Dusk. The Charmcode makeup set consists of 2 eyeshadow palettes, including Twilight Dusk and Aromas. Twilight Dusk has a mixture of smoky-looking colors with a variety of textures for an evening look. The Aromas eyeshadow set contains more of a daytime palette with pinks, peaches, and browns. Both palettes contain 18 shades of color each. And finally at number 1. Mauve Carry All Trunk Train Case. The Mauve Carry All Trunk Case comes with 4 sets of eyeshadow palettes containing 6 powdered eyeshadows each. It also includes 3 eyeshadow creams, 4 blushers, 4 lipsticks, 2 lip glosses, an eyeliner, and a lip liner. The set also consists of some makeup brushes and nail care equipment. The case itself has compartments that slide open, so you can see everything you need at once and a mirror. This set is a great starter kit for anyone interested in makeup. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.